In this video, we're going to show how to create the necessary credentials to access Google Drive. So we'll go into create new credentials, and we'll note that the two key things that we'll need to get is the client ID as well as the client secret. So we'll take a note here of this OAuth redirect URL. So this is some help us to authenticate. So I'll click copy here. And then I'm going to go into my console.cloud.google.com. So this is the URL to get access to setting up this authentication. So I've logged in using my Google ID. Now I'm going to start in my new project. I'll call this my N8N project, and then I'll create that. All right, so a project has now been created, and then I'm going to go into the create credentials, and then I'm going to create this OAuth client ID. So I'll go ahead and do that. Now, before I'm able to do that, it tells me that I need to configure my consent screen, right? So I'm going to now go to my OAuth consent screen as a prereq for me to create this client ID. So I'll go here, and then it's going to be external, even though it's a test account. I'll just select external. And then I'm just going to create here again my N8N project. That is the app name. And my support email, I will specify here. All right, I'll also specify the developer contact information. So my email. Okay. And then I will save and continue. And I am going to leave everything else as is, and I will save and continue. And then I'm going to add users. So again, I'm going to specify my email address. Add it. All right, so I'm going to save and continue. And back to dashboard. Great. So now I've been able to create my OAuth consent screen, and I'm going to go back to my credentials. And I'm going to now create credentials and then go back to this OAuth client ID. I'll select it as a web application, and I'm going to just leave it default. I think that's fine. Now, the only thing we need to specify here is authorize redirect your URIs. So I'll add this. This was what I got from here, right? So I'll copy that into here, and then I will create. Okay, so now I have the client ID and the secret. Okay, so you can just save this into a safe place. So I will copy this here. So this is my client ID, and then also the client secret. All right, so I'll copy here, and then I'll save it. So after I save it, now I can sign in, and I'm going to sign in with my account. Continue. All right, continue. All right, that's it. Now I'm able to access my file. So I'll just close this. And now there's one more thing I need to do. This thing here, I need to go to the library. And then I need to just search Google Drive. Okay. And then I also just need to enable it. All right, so this tells N8N that it has now access to Google Drive APIs. Right now, if you want to access like Google Sheets, right, you'll need to do the similar thing: Google Sheets, Google Docs, and enable the various APIs.